Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Truecaller and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.